Yes, perfect. Sarika ma'am, Pooja ma'am, please take the lead.
Fine, Pooja ma'am.
ओके, धन्यवाद गुनीत। कदम कदम पर नया इम्तिहान होता है, संघर्ष का रास्ता कहाँ आसान होता है। जो चलता है इस कठिन रास्ते पर, उस संघर्षशील के कदमों में जहान होता है। नमस्कार, मैं पूजा सब्रवाल जम्मू संस्कृति स्कूल जम्मू की तरफ से आज के इस महान कार्यक्रम की शोभा बढ़ाने के लिए उपस्थित सभी सभाजनों का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ। सौंदर्य की मेरी परिभाषा प्रकृति है। प्रकृति हम सबके लिए ईश्वर का अद्वितीय आशीर्वाद है। इस सुंदर प्रकृति के कारण ही मानव जीवन संभव है। प्रकृति से रूबरू होने के बाद ही मुझे खुद से रूबरू होना आया। आज के कार्यक्रम जिसका नाम प्रकृति पराक्रम है, पराक्रम अर्थात शौर्य, वीरता, साहस एवं हिम्मत का प्रदर्शन, प्रकृति के संरक्षण एवं उसकी सुंदरता को बनाए रखने की इस लड़ाई में विभिन्न विद्यालयों के विद्यार्थियों ने योद्धाओं की भूमिका निभाई। उन्होंने अपनी लगन, परिश्रम एवं साहस द्वारा प्रकृति के बचाव के लिए किए गए अद्भुत कार्यों से ही अपने पराक्रम का परिचय दिया है। पृथ्वी के इस युवा एवं होनहार योद्धाओं को हम सबका सलाम। धन्यवाद। ओवर टू यू सारिका मैम।
If the bee disappeared off the surface of the globe, the man would have only 4 years of life. No more pollination, no more plants, no more animals, and no more man. With this beautiful thought on nature by Shakespeare, I wish a very pleasant evening to one and all present here, all the dignitaries, honorary board of advisors, honorary mentors, principals, teachers, and all our esteemed guests. It's a great privilege for Jammu Sanskriti School Jammu to officially host today's event, being one of the school partner of the initiative taken by the Vidyalaya. This event inculcate amongst us the spirit of saving our beautiful nature, which is the gift of God. Before proceeding towards the program, I would like to acknowledge the presence of the eminent educationists amongst us. We have amongst us Mr. Neeraj Mohan Puri, Principal Satyug Darshan Vidyalaya, Faridabad, as our chief guest. Welcome, sir. We have our guest speaker, Ms. Anuradha Gupta, Pollution Control Committee, ma'am. Ms. Rohini Aima, Principal cum Vice Chairperson, Jammu Sanskriti School, Jammu. She will be joining us very soon. We also have with us Dr. Kunal Anand, Principal GPS Udhampur. We have with us Dr. Vikesh Kaur, Principal Doon International School, Jammu. Also, we have Mr. Pramod Kumar Srivastav, Principal Model Academy School, Jammu. Welcome, sir. We will be having Dr. Chand Rehan, Director Care Non-Psychological Consult. She will be joining us. And Dr. Seema Negi, Director and Principal Sanjeevani World School. Also, we have Master Guneet Singh, Founder, the Vidyalaya. Geena Ma'am, Tamil Nadu School Principal, and other esteemed principals of prestigious institutions of Jammu as well as other schools. Thank you so much. Now, before proceeding, I would, to make this environment, this virtual meet green, as our motto is protection of nature, I request Ms. Radhika Chaudhary, Jammu Sanskritian, for the presentation of sampling to our chief guest. Radhika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
So please present a beautiful sampling to our chief guest, Mr. Neeraj Mohan Puri. Sir, please accept as a token of gratitude from our side.
Thank you very much. I am humbled. Such an innovative and magnificent introduction and start. Thanks a lot. I heartily accept it. Thanks a lot, Radhika.
Welcome, most welcome, sir. Okay, now I would further request Radhika to present the sampling to our guest speaker, Ms. Anuradha Gupta. Ma'am, are you there?
I am there.
Okay, ma'am, please accept as a token of gratitude from our side.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Young people can play an active role in protecting and improving environment. Prakriti Prakram is an exclusive event for our school partners. It's an initiative taken by the Vidyalaya, a youth community text by Guneet Singh, a pioneer in the field of public speaking and other events. Jammu City School Jammu got this opportunity to host the event. I would request Ms. Abneet Kaur to welcome the gathering.
Thank you, Sarika ma'am. A very
On behalf
pleasant,
of Principal ma'am, please. Okay.
thank you, Sarika ma'am. A very pleasant evening to one and all present here. I, Avneet Budraja, Senior Wing Coordinator, on behalf of Ms. Rohini Aima, Principal cum Vice Chairperson, Jammu Sanskriti School, Jammu, would like to express my gratitude and a great welcome to all the dignitaries. Ma'am is stuck somewhere in some other meeting, but she will be joining very soon. So on her behalf, I welcome you all. This event is hosted by our school is in itself a prestige for us, as we, through this event, are indirectly contributing a great deal of benefit to our Mother Earth and the nature that surrounds it for its protection. The youth are the backbone of the society, and this event acts as an energy booster for the participant and the organizer to work as a fighter for the sake of nature. I welcome our chief guest, Mr. Neeraj Mohan Puri, Principal, Satyog Darshan School, Faridabad. Sir, thanks for being a part of this event. I also welcome our guest speaker, Ms. Anuradha Gupta, for her benign presence. I also welcome Dr. Kunal Anand, Principal DPS Udhampur. Welcome, sir. I also welcome Dr. Vikesh Kaur, Principal Doon International School. I also welcome Mr. P.K. Srivastav, Principal Model Academy School, Jammu. Thank you, sir. Thanks for your presence. I also welcome Millie ma'am, Principal Jammu Sanskriti School, Kathua. I would also like to extend my warm welcome to Dr. Chand Trihan when she'll be joining later. She is always a motivation for us and always accept our invitation whenever we ask for. Finally, I also welcome Dr. Seema Negi, Director and Principal, Sanjeevani World School. Welcome, ma'am, and thanks for accepting our invitation. I also welcome all the other principals and dignitaries from various areas, along with the teachers and students. So I hope the Board of Advisory, guest speaker, and all the dignitaries will add essential colors to this event by their words of wisdom. With this, I hand over the spotlight to Ms. Sarika. Over to you, Sarika, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Who can better enlighten about environment is an environmentalist. Today, we have with us Ms. Anuradha Gupta, Pollution Control Committee, Jammu, as a guest speaker to aware us about the environmental hazards that plastic creates. How can we save our environment? Ma'am, please take the spotlight and do the honor.
Thanks, ma'am. First of all, thank you all for inviting me as guest speaker in this webinar. And as far as I think Guneet has confirmed from me, ma'am, I would like to highlight that I was going to speak about composting. But I will just touch whatever you have spoken about plastics. I think at this point of time, everyone is aware that how the plastics have spoiled our environment and how much damage they have caused. In fact, at this moment, we can say it is almost irreversible damage. So not much, I will add much to this, because plastic pollution is caused majorly by the misuse and mismanagement of the plastics. In fact, plastic itself is not a menace. Actually, it's mismanagement causes environmental degradation and pollution. And the most contributing factor in it is that the use of disposable plastics. Disposable plastics, I think, in fact, I have visited once a Sanskriti school also, because when it was, everything was normal, I kept on visiting the schools, various schools regarding this, getting awareness about the pollution and composting. Plastics के बारे में इतना बोलना चाहूंगी कि that the only 3R principles जो हम बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं, reduce, reuse, recycle. So first thumb rule is reduce, that जितना हम इसको कम इस्तेमाल करें उतना generation कम होगा. That is all we know. If we encourage our students, if we encourage our family members to carry their own bag, maybe a cloth bag or biodegradable bag with them when we go to purchase any grocery item or anything else for the home. So these are very small things that can reduce the generation of plastics, first of all. And second thing, we make a commitment with ourselves that we won't allow the use of any disposable plastics in our home during any event or any celebration. Again, it is reduction. It's step towards reducing the generation of the plastic waste, first of all. Third, that is to ensure recycling. Actually, I have made a whole video, later on I will share with Guneet, that how to segregate the various items at home and ensure their recycling. एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल मैं यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स भी हैं, I will share. For example, in our Jammu city, we know that till now there is no segregated collection of the waste right now from our home. But till then, I practice segregation of the waste at my home, because my instinct does not allow me to mix the things together. जैसे हम किसी भी तरह के pollution की या waste की बात करते हैं, तो first of all एक बड़ी basic सी चीज जो मैं सबके साथ share करना चाहती हूँ, nothing is waste. In fact, everything is resource. It becomes waste when it is wasted, and when it is wasted, when we mix two things of different nature, that is dry waste and wet waste, because they were supposed to channelize in a different manner. So जितना हम लोग प्लास्टिक को सेग्रीगेट करके रखेंगे उतना वो ड्राई और साफ सुथरा क्लीन कंडीशन में रहेगा. That will be accepted readily by the recycler or rag picker for the generalization for recycling. एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल, यहाँ पे बच्चे भी हैं तो मैं शेयर करूंगी क्योंकि बच्चे ये चीजें बड़ी जल्दी ग्रैस्प करते हैं. We have teachers, staff भी है हमारे साथ. I am also a working lady. ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन हम लोग ने बहुत सारा ना ये अमूल के पैकेजिंग्स, मिल्क पैकेट्स वी स्टार्टेड यूजिंग दिस, and my concern always remains about each and everything, that where it should go and how it should be disposed of. So these are the things that we should consider and learn to keep thinking, so that waste is reduced at source level, that is where it is generated. What I did, I started cutting the this Tetra Pak at the top, and then just give it a rinse. It takes only less than a minute. I just give it a rinse and then just put it upside down so that it gets dried. And I just piled up so many Tetra Paks, and when rag picker came to my house, I just asked him, "Will you accept it?" He said, "Okay." And I was so happy that I have reduced this burden of garbage from entering into my trash bin. So these are very small things that can reduce plastic pollution. I think I will switch over to my concerned topic that I was supposed to speak about, that is composting now. So I have always been making mention of that, this thing, that reduction at source and recycle or process the waste at source as far as possible. So teachers must have already known, because when we teach the students, I think from the 6th class or even, I don't know, I'm not aware about this syllabi now, कि साइंस में हम बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं, there are two types of waste, wet and dry. but we don't encourage them to segregate even at the school level. I'm not aware about what is happening in all the schools, but I am just generally speaking. So that learning should be inculcated among the students at that level, so that they can, their hands get just used to कि ये मुझे dry waste है, plastic है, paper है, ये मुझे इस bin में डालना है, blue bin में, and this is fruit peels or kitchen vegetable peels, ये मुझे green bin में डालना है. So this is very important at the initial stage. Now, actually, I also learned composting during my this field of experience when I was handling with this municipal solid waste in Jammu province. Because my first point was how to handle waste first of all at source level. I am the waste generator. Have I no responsibility just to handle it in any way that I can? Then I learned about composting. And I was so happy to see, first of all, I practiced this composting at my office itself. And I was so glad to see that I was able to make compost myself. And then I tried to suggest it, to recommend it to various schools and various institutions, organizations, that please, wherever you have this canteen, kitchen waste, vegetable peels, and wherever you have garden waste is a resource. This is called green gold. Please don't allow your gardeners to pile it up or burn it. You can give your students a science project, even at home they can practice it. Very simple manner, सबसे छोटा सा simple way मैं बताऊंगी, that they can take a pot first of all to begin with, and there is a layering process to begin with composting. सबसे जैसे first layer में हम लोग नीचे कुछ dry twigs जो है वो डाल देते हैं, so that air keeps flowing on. Then second layer is made of this again dry leaves waste, जो हमारा dry leaves का बहुत सारा waste निकल जाता है. And third layer is made up of this vegetable peels or fruit peels. So this is a wet waste. When it will decompose, the all leachate will be absorbed by the dry layer, that is leaves. And third layer is of the media, composting media, and the best composting media is our kettle dung. So just 1 inch or 2 inch layer of kettle dung, it is spread evenly, and 1 inch layer of soil and little sprinkling with the water. That is the only process. And when we will just keep on mixing all this heap per day and keep on sprinkling water a little just to maintain the moisture and keep that pot covered. Now, to begin with, I have mentioned a pot, but if you get success in making this compost, you can then switch over to a bucket. You can make holes on the sides and at the bottom. This is called this aerobic composting, so that oxygen can be there, and there will be no smell at all if we maintain the mixture, that is 50% wet waste and 50% dry waste. And some important steps are to keep it covered and maintain the moisture level. That's it. And keep on mixing, and we will get a very good compost. So these are very small things that at the school level, at the college level, at the university level, students should be taught, so that we can carry these things onward. And this is the need of the hour, in fact, because so much waste is being generated, and all this wet waste that can be composted, that can get converted into beautiful and precious compost, is from black gold bolte हैं, that goes into the trash, and we buy compost for our home from outside. So this is what we are doing. इसको मैं simple language में हम बोल सकते हैं that we are throwing our gold and we purchase another one from the market. So I think I have been able to tell the students a little bit about how to begin with composting. If anyone will be having any query, they can ask me later on or during this. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thanks for elaborating in such a convenient manner about the do's and don'ts. So let be the fighter to protect our environment. Thanks, ma'am. So we have Dr. Kunal Anand, Principal DPS Udhampur, Honorary Advisor to the Vidyalaya General Secretary, Jammu Sahodaya School Complex, a CBSE resource person, and a motivational speaker winner of awards and achievements in educational sector. Sir, please, I request you to please share a few words with us.
Thank you so much, Sarika ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
And it's always a pleasure to get connected with the Vidyalaya. And I congratulate Mr. Guneet Singh, a young entrepreneur of Jammu City, for coming out with different and very innovative ideas. When this particular idea of Prakriti Parakram was put across to the board members, and anonymously all the board members were really excited. And but I was not expecting that this activity would come out in such a beautiful manner, where all the participating school and the students have contributed in their own manner regarding the way we can help things, like what just Radha ma'am was also mentioning about the environment and the crisis we all are facing. This is a time, students, teachers, and my dear fellows, that we talk about all these things. We, as ma'am also mentioned, and Radha ma'am also mentioned, these things should be there in our schools in the form of small projects. Most of the schools are working on certain projects like this, but still we have not been able to win the battle of having more greener areas than those which we are being using for other substances. So I would appeal from this forum to all my students, teachers, and my fellows that we should devise certain ways of getting more greener surroundings. Like, I know a lot of schools are making children plant trees on their birthdays. Some of the students are even doing, some schools are even doing regular environmental plantation activities. So there are so many things that we are looking at, but at the same time, it should not just be confined to an activity under Vidyalaya or an activity under the school program. It should not only be confined to being an activity, but it should be made a habit. If we are planting a tree at school on our birthday, why not to plant the same tree at home and around us? I mean, this is a rainy season. This is a time, monsoon is a top time to plant trees. Even if you throw some seeds anywhere, they also take form of trees, plants and things, because what you are doing today would be taken up by generation for the next 50 years. So this should be made a very, very important part, not just about the school activity calendar, but in the academia also. I would really want that certain nomenclatures should be added in the academia and make it, because we study environmental sciences. That is what the topic is there. Every time we are reading environmental sciences, but I don't think so environmental sciences are there only to read. They need to be implemented in practicality. So I think that this forum, the way Mr. Guneet is adding new ideas and new activities, because I have been associated with him for the past almost 2 years now. Every time he comes up with a unique activity, it gives something new to our, for our students and teachers to follow. Now it is up to us as school leaders and teachers how much we follow around. So the follow-up is very important, whatever it may be. A small activity in our school for the past 4 years, we celebrate April Cool Day on every 1st of April. This was an initiative taken 4 years back, that let's not make people April Fool, but let's make April cool. So all the staffers, they plant a tree or a plant or a planter every 1st April, and ensure that they nurture that plant whole through the year. It's not that we did an activity, click some pictures, post on the Facebook, post on social media, and we forget. No, you have to nurture that trees always. So my appeal to everybody from here would be that whatever we are trying a bit, it should be practical and it should be carry forwarded, not just left as an academic as a activity, but it should be an academia part also. And I'm really thankful to Neeraj Puri sir for joining here as our chief guest. Thank you so much, Rohini Ayama ma'am, for hosting this program. And of course, with the benign presence of Dr. Pramod Kumar Srivastava, the president for Jammu Sahodaya School Complex and the Principal Model Academy. Sir, these initiatives are taking shape under your able guidance. And thank you to Millie ma'am for joining around. And I think Suchita Mukherjee ma'am is also there. And Manju ma'am and everybody. And all the students, best of luck, because I know you're a lot of butterflies in your stomach, who wins what. But whatever small things you are doing, just make it a habit. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for the valuable suggestions. We definitely need to implement those. That is follow-up. So now I would now request Guneet Singh, founder the Vidyalaya, to throw light about the initiative Prakriti Parakram taken by his team of youth. Guneet, over to you.
Thank you so much, Sarika ma'am. Good evening, one and all, respected Chief Guest Neeraj sir, guest speaker Anuradha ma'am, my dear honorary board of advisors, honorary mentors, principals, teachers, and my dear students. Thanks to Jammu Sanskriti School Jammu for hosting this event. First of all, welcome to Prakriti Prakram. इस इवेंट के पीछे हमने काफी सोचा कि अब जुलाई इज प्लास्टिक फ्री मंथ, क्या किया जाए, राइट? अब ऑब्वियसली अगर मैं बात करूं, हम सारे देखते हैं आजकल यंग क्लाइमेट एक्टिविस्ट आ रहे हैं. हम अगर सोचे इस चीज के बारे में, क्यों देयर आर सो मेनी इश्यूज जिसके बारे में बात की जा सकती है. अगर मैं बात करूं भी आधे मतलब मोस्टली ऑडियंस जम्मू से, अभी हमने काफी देर पहले जम्मू में बारिश देखी थी, कितनी खतरनाक बारिश है. हमने पढ़ा कि उसमें इतने लोगों के घर डूब गए. अभी हमें नोटिस आया कि 19 से 20 जुलाई को अभी और बारिश आनी है. हम आहिस्ता आहिस्ता चीजें देख रहे हैं क्लाइमेट चेंज को लेके. मैं जम्मू की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं, सिर्फ हर जगह क्लाइमेट चेंज को लेके देख रहे हैं. प्राकृति पराक्रम ऑब्वियसली वी हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड. अभी हमने आहिस्ता से शेप लेनी स्टार्ट की. हमने कहा एक छोटा सा इवेंट करा के देखते हैं, लेट्स सी किस तरह से क्या होता है. इस इवेंट के हमने सिर्फ 2 ही अभी पिलर्स रखे थे मेन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सस्टेनेबल लिविंग एंड सेकंड प्लास्टिक वेस्ट रिडक्शन. अब जब इस इवेंट के बारे में हमने सोचा कि क्या किया जाए, लकीली मैं रिगार्ड्स करता हूँ, सबसे ज्यादा मैं थैंकफुल हूँ इन 8 स्कूल्स का जिन्होंने हमें सपोर्ट किया, जो हमारे साथ हम जिनके ऑफिशियल ई लर्निंग पार्टनर्स जिन्होंने हमें सपोर्ट किया बच्चों के थ्रू. हमने इन स्कूल्स को एक्टिविटीज डिवाइड की, सस्टेनेबल लिविंग की और प्लास्टिक वेस्ट रिडक्शन की. जिस तरह से हमने 4-4 करके स्कूल्स को डिवाइड किया, अलग अलग एक्टिविटीज थी. इसका मोटिव क्या था? ऑब्वियसली अब मैं ये तो बात करूंगा नहीं कि सिर्फ एक प्राकृतिक पराक्रम इवेंट से मैं पूरी दुनिया बदल दूंगा, ऑब्वियसली नहीं हो सकता. द लीस्ट आई कैन डू इज क्रिएट क्लाइमेट एक्टिविस्ट. क्या कर सकते हो? सोच तो डाल सकता हूं, है ना. हम जब किसी को एक सोचने की शक्ति देते हैं ना, उसको रास्ता दिखाते हैं, तो अपने आप ही उसको एक माइंड में क्यूरियोसिटी डेवलप करते हैं कि क्या चीज होगी. तो हमने स्कूल में इवेंट कराया. थैंक्स टू द कैंपस एम्बेसडर्स, स्कूल्स के जो हमारे साथ जुड़े रहे, जिनको हमने तंग करा इस चीज के रिलेटेड, उन्होंने बच्चों के बीच में कंपटीशन ये कराया प्राकृति पराक्रम का. एंड हर स्कूल से 2 नॉमिनेट किए बच्चे जिनको अवार्ड मिला जाए. उनकी आइडियोलॉजीज के ऊपर उन्होंने जो इवेंट दिया, जिस हिसाब से सस्टेनेबल लिविंग के ऊपर उन्होंने प्रोजेक्ट दिया, DIYs के ऊपर दिया, प्लास्टिक वेस्ट रिडक्शन के ऊपर. प्राकृति पराक्रम है क्या? प्राकृति पराक्रम इज जस्ट अ स्मॉल इवेंट एप्रिशिएटिंग द यंग वॉरियर्स, पृथ्वी के योद्धा. द विद्यालय क्या चीज है? द विद्यालय इज अ यूथ कम्युनिटी एंड अ बडिंग एडटेक स्टार्टअप. आई मस्ट से दिस थिंग, ये सारी चीजें बिल्कुल पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाती विदाउट द सपोर्ट ऑफ माय ऑनरी बोर्ड ऑफ एडवाइजर्स, ऑनरी मेंटर्स, ऑल द प्रिंसिपल्स, कैंपस एम्बेसडर्स एंड ऑब्वियसली द होस्ट स्कूल. Thank you so much. So without taking up your further time, passing this virtual stage to Pooja ma'am. Over to you, Pooja ma'am.
धन्यवाद गुनीत. अभिमान तब आता है जब हमें लगता है कि हमने कुछ किया. अभिमान तब आता है कि हमें लगता है कि हमने कुछ किया है, और सम्मान तब मिलता है जब दुनिया को लगता है कि आपने कुछ किया है. प्रकृति पराक्रम के इस कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने में विद्यालयों के एवं पृथ्वी के वीर योद्धाओं का योगदान सराहनीय कार्य है. दीर्घकालीन जीवन यापन अर्थात सस्टेनेबल लिविंग अर्थात प्रकृति के संसाधनों के उचित एवं सदुपयोग द्वारा लंबे समय तक जीवन को स्वस्थ जीना, इस विचारधारा को साथ लिए विद्यार्थियों द्वारा अलग अलग अद्भुत परियोजना कार्य द्वारा कार्य संभव किया गया. समय है इन्हीं कार्यों को संभव बनाने के लिए सम्मानित एवं पुरस्कृत करने का. तो श्रृंखला में सबसे पहले जम्मू संस्कृति स्कूल जम्मू के विद्यालय के पुरस्कृत विद्यार्थी हैं जस्मीन कौर, चपजी कौर, और दूसरे विद्यार्थी हैं पुरस्कृत विद्यार्थी जस्मीन कौर. अति उत्तम कार्य. श्रृंखला के अगले प्रतिभागी विद्यालय दून इंटरनेशनल स्कूल जम्मू से सम्मानित एवं पुरस्कृत किए जाने वाले विद्यार्थियों की श्रृंखला में सबसे पहले मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी तेजस मेहरा.
Good evening to all. Today, I, Tejas Mehra,
और दूसरे विद्यार्थी पलकप्रीत कौर. अति उत्तम योगदान. ओवर टू यू सारिका मैम.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So now I would like to acknowledge about Mr. Neeraj Mohan Puri, our chief guest, Principal Satyug Darshan Vidyalaya, Faridabad, a man whose objective is to use his skills and knowledge only in teaching learning, CBSE training coordinator and founder of NGO, Global Organization of Academic Leaders. So please take over the spotlight and address the gathering. So please.
Thank you very much, Sarika ji, for an introduction. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful evening to galaxy of intellectuals, all the respected principals, erudite teachers, and wonderful and ennobling young minds. It's indeed a pleasure for me to address you through this virtual platform. And I owe my special thanks to Mr. Guneet. It's been almost 2 years associated with him, and I'm following the activities he's been doing. He's a young, budding, energetic, and very, very enthusiastic, dynamic leader, I must say, with having a lot of zest and zeal in his belly, to make difference on this planet. I really admire the insights he has, the vision with he's progressing. And with this progressive approach, he can definitely mark a niche for him. I must say for him, परिंदों को मंजिलें मिल ही जाएंगी, परिंदों को मंजिलें मिल ही जाएंगी, ये उनके फैले हुए पंख बताते हैं। वो लोग अक्सर जमाने में खामोश रहा करते हैं, वो लोग जमाने में अक्सर खामोश रहा करते हैं, जिनके जमाने में हुनर बोला करते हैं। So Master Guneet is someone like that, who is a force, a pillar, ignited mind behind numerous events which he has done, and he's pioneering so many activities. So I heartily congratulate you, dear Guneet, for this wonderful initiative. I was given to understand, and through the presentation given by Guneet, it's really a remarkable initiative. Now, if I will make you all run down your memory lane and take you to the annals of history, you could easily recollect how human civilizations progressed. The earth was a paradise, a beautiful mother. So human being, from nomadic to wanderers to food hunters, and then we encountered so many civilizations. Then further we progressed. We have seen so many revolutions in the form of green revolution, industrial revolution, white revolution, and now we have stepped into a VUCA world, a world which is very vulnerable, which is very volatile, ambiguous, complex. Even this year, United Nations has given sustainability as one of the goals. Hence, this theme which Vidyalaya has taken was really appropriate. In this VUCA environment, it is very important that all of us should march ahead with the unity in direction, with a single goal, that is sustainability. Anuradha ji also very aptly said that everything is a resource on this planet. So we need to somewhere contain our need and greed. If I will share the surprising and hair-raising statistics about the plastic pollution and the harm it is creating to the environment, really you would be awed. Every year, approximately 8 million pieces of plastic pollution finds its way to the oceans. My dear, 8 million I'm talking about, and that's every day. So please lend me your ear when I say further that 12 million tons of plastic are poured into ocean every year. So these are whooping numbers. This is our Mother Earth. This is the only unique planet, and just for our insatiable needs and our greed, we keep on, defacing it, and we are taking it toward the anarchy, inhalation stage. And you, my dear young children, being the ambassadors as the change agents of this world, of this planet, it is your earnest duty that our every action is taken towards how we can conserve and preserve our resources so that our generations to come can also enjoy this beautiful planet. And really, I'm happy to hear that 8 schools of Jammu, they have heartily participated, and I extend my congratulations to all the schools, the school leaders, those who are working hand in hand to really make a major difference, and especially to all those children who contributed, who partake in these events. And even we would be very, very happy to participate in future for any such activities if you are hearing Mr. Guneet. So with this, I rest my voice. I really congratulate Master Guneet, his team, and I wish that they keep on making such kind of an activities which can make this world a better place. Thank you very much for inviting me, and respecting the paucity of time, I will not extend my conversation. Thanks a lot.
Thank
Stay
you, sir.
happy, stay
Thank
safe.
you, sir, for the valuable information. Thanks a lot. Now, Ms. Rohini Aima, Principal cum Vice Chairperson, Jammu Sanskriti School, Jammu, has joined us. A woman who believes in the latest global trends in education, having experience of more than 35 years, and has held several prestigious assignments successfully, and the school is the outcome of her vision and mission. Ma'am, please take over the spotlight and address the gathering.
Very good evening, one and all present here this afternoon. And first of all, my apologies to all of you because I was busy in some other meeting and I had to travel from there to home. So it took me some time to reach and join you all. So apologies for that. But I hope on my behalf, my senior coordinator could do some justice. So on behalf of the entire team of Jammu Sanskriti School as well as the Vidyalaya, I am really grateful and honored, Mr. Neeraj Mohanpuri, you spared your valuable time for us in such a short notice. I'm
humbled. I'm humbled indeed that you considered me for this prestigious position. Thanks a lot. I'm indebted.
Thank you. Thank you so much for honoring us. And all of us know Mr. Neeraj Mohanpuri is a principal of Satyug Darshan Vidyalaya, Faridabad. And he is one of the highly decorated principals with awards and accolades of different firms. He is renowned CBSE resource person and has been training to the teachers as well as the students. As we all know, already heard that he's the founder of NGO and Goal Foundation. Neeraj Mohan sir, a way to go for you, and we need to collaborate to learn from you because I have personally visited Satyug Darshan once upon a time when I was in Delhi, and it's a really great institution which really is into looking into the values and character building of the students. And I'm sure we are going to learn a lot from you with the exchange program, which we will shortly be having with you all. I'm again grateful to Madam Anuradha Gupta from Pollution Control Board, Jammu. She spared her valuable time and gave her inputs on this pollution and sustainable development. And it was such lovely hearing you, ma'am. I'm really grateful again on behalf of the Vidyalaya and Jammu Sanskriti School, Jammu. Dr. Pramod Srivastava, Principal Model Academy School, as well as President, Jammu Sahodaya School Complex. Sir, honored to have you on this platform. You are always an inspiration to all of us. Dr. Kunal Anand, Principal, Delhi Public School, Udhampur, and Secretary Sahodaya School Complex, Jammu. Dr. Kunal, again, is a renowned CBSE resource person and has been impacting with the positive vibes to so many students and teachers. Honored to have all the dignitaries, mentors, advisors, and lovely students who really took time to participate in the Prakriti Prakram activity. Of course, Guneet Singh, the young budding entrepreneur, has been doing a great work, and we are there to support in each and every activity that the Vidyalaya takes up along with other schools. We are again thankful to all the schools, their principals, for mentoring the students and taking part in this activity. Thanks once again. Thank you very much. I know Neeraj sir had to leave and he has a meeting again after 5 o'clock. So Neeraj sir, thank you for sparing your time, and thank you Anuradha ma'am again, once again for sparing your valuable time. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
It
ma'am.
was indeed pleasure, ma'am. I'm a great fan of yours. I have always been, you have always left an indelible impact. We have done some events together.
Yes,
So it was always great listening you, your lofty ideas, and top of it, you know, you are so grounded, so humbled with n number of achievements. Still you are so down to the earth. And that is the best trait of a veteran leader. May God bless you and you be very progressive, and every organization with which you are associated is definitely bound to progress by leaps and bounds. So thank you very much to you, your team. God bless you all. Please take care.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now proceeding towards our award felicitation from Model Academy, the first winner, Aditya Rana. Aditya Rana, this certificate is for you. Please accept it. Are you there?
Yes,
Aditya?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Second, Mrigang Salathia. Mrigang, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Congratulations, dear.
Thank you very much.
Okay, fine. From DPS Udhampur, we have Alina.
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations, Alina. You did
Thank you,
very well. And Shreya, accept this certificate, Alina. Shreya, this is for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Give a big round of applause for these kids. Now we have with us, dear August gathering, Mr. Pramod Kumar Srivastava, Principal Model Academy, Jammu, our Board of Advisory, a man whose motto is to work in a challenging and dynamic environment, having expertise of more than 28 years in the field of education, has held various prestigious positions and winner of lots of many awards and recognitions. Recently appointed as District Training Coordinator by COE Chandigarh for Jammu region. Sir, please take over the charge and address the gathering.
Thank you so much, Harika. Indeed, it is my pleasure, sharing, this platform with you all. And I must, first congratulate Guneet Singh, the young buddy taking this initiative of the Vidyalaya, and then under this the Vidyalaya, he has taken this Prakriti Prakaram, which is really the need of the hour. Because we are, since along we are hearing, the problem raised by or the faced by the all over the country, all over the world, the environmental problems. And that too, the plastic is playing a very vital role. It becomes a, it has got a viral attention, rather we can say. Though, numerous and number of, what initiatives have been taken by, by every nook and corner, and by the United Nations also so many initiatives have been taken for the sustainable development, because this is what now really the need of the hour. And if you know, if you talk about the plastic material and how to overcome with this thing, many chemical, organizations and chemical factories really they need this plastic as a raw material. So we have to work on this because whenever we are going for a project, the project needs to be on the patent. Because everybody is working, everybody is saying I'm working, I'm planting trees, I'm doing this social work, I'm doing for the sake of the environmental development, I'm doing this and numerous initiatives I have taken. But see what, until unless we are not taking this to a serious note, we are not taking towards the what that days, whatever we are doing, we are going to have the patent of this thing. So great initiative taken by the Vidyalaya, and you are hosting and you are igniting. See, every young mind is what has got a number of tremendous ideas they have. The only thing is what they needs to be ignited. There needs to be uh, waking up. Yes, you have the power, you have the resources, and you have the wisdom to work on this. And the Vidyalaya through this Prakriti Prakaram program, you have ignited. See now at present, what I have seen is eight schools they are participating in this. But I hope and I request that every school should participate because the young mind is there in the school. Young buddies are there in the school, and they are the if everybody is talking about they are the nation builders, they are taking the words ahead, and they are the future generations. But see what, they needs to be ignited, they needs to be uh, pampered rather, to take the initiative and to take the sustainable initiative rather. Only initiative will not work now because initiatives so everybody is taking, but the sustainable initiative is the need of the hour. And as Ma'am Aima and everybody has mentioned this thing, Ma'am Radha has mentioned this thing. She is also working on the same platform, and she is doing this tremendous job for the Jammu city. So all together we can win the race. So that is what everybody needs to be united. Everybody has to come forward, and not only 80 schools. I'm very much surprisingly saying this thing today. Only 80 schools are there. Rather that the number should be much more. And every school must have taken the initiative to participate in this sustainable development program towards the environment and towards the the plastic is the a dangerous waste material. If it is not being organized, it is going to create a havoc. Rest of the other material is suppose the paper is there, like I said, decomposed posts have been talked about by Anuradha ma'am, that every school must have a decomposed post, so that whatever the waste material is there, that needs to be organized there, that needs to be in an organized manner, that needs to be decomposed, and further it can be utilized for the other purpose. So it is what reuse and recycle it is the must nowadays. We have to recycle and we have to reuse in an appropriate way. That is what is required. Then children, every time whenever we are conducting the activities, children they are participating, but that is not enough. Children, what we need is that we have to work on this. And like Dr. Kunal had mentioned, everybody is planting trees. See, only planting trees will not help us. If we are planting one tree, we have to take the responsibility of that tree, that it should grow. It should be given every kind of protection also to make it a big tree. So that is what we are just taking, planting the tree, we are publishing into the media, we are posting a picture with the tree in the social media, and we are so feeling happy and proud. No, I would say rather that you must feel happy and proud when it grows into a big tree, and you could proudly say, yes, this is the sampling done by me, and this has shaped a big tree now, and now you are sitting under that tree and enjoying the cool waves. So that is the proud moment for everyone rather, and that should be, that initiatives should be taken all around the world, all around the every young buddies. So that is the initiative is required, and I hope that this is just the beginning. Guneet is an entrepreneur, and he keeps on thinking these ideas, keeps on coming in his mind, and he keeps on working on this the social issues and these kinds of events he keeps on organizing. So all the very best, Guneet, because you are the young buddy who is what really a willing worker and working for the society, and you keeps on igniting the young minds and keeps on taking everybody on the same platform, and keeps on spreading the knowledge and the wisdom towards by calling the dignitaries like Neeraj sir is there today. I heard Neeraj sir several number of times, and Dr. Kunal is there, Ma'am Aina, Rohini Aima ma'am is there, Ma'am Mali Sumbriya is there, and so with the help of everybody, we can also grow, and we can develop the sustainable development of this particular what attention. So all schools, if only two children are participating from one school, I request that these two students that they have to take the baton, because they have taken the baton now, and they have to spread the awareness about this sustainable development towards this what plastic material, how it can be utilized, how it can be what decomposed, it cannot be decomposed, how it can be what channelized. The waste management is also very, very important. How to manage, that's what the better use of this plastic material can be done. Because see what it is also, I have mentioned, I was just going through one company, Cell is there, Cell company, what it is the maximum garbage as a plastic material they are taking and using it for the further decomposition, and further they are creating the chemical products from there. So that we have to channelize these things. We have to create a management system that how this plastic material can be managed and can be utilized and can be reused for the future reference. So thank you, Vidyalaya. Thank you everyone, those who are on this platform today. My best wishes that you have taken the baton now. So my all the best wishes are there that you could get success in this event. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So we need to take an initiative. Guneet has started and others need to follow him. Thank you, sir. So over to you, Pooja ma'am, for further declaration of the awardees.
थैंक यू सो मच सारिका मैम। चलो आज एक नई प्रार्थना करते हैं। धैर्य, त्याग, अनुशासन और समर्पण से अपने संस्कारों को सींचते हैं। लोभ, मोह, स्वार्थ और द्वेष को छोड़ते हैं। चलो हम प्रकृति से कुछ नया सीखते हैं। विद्यालय जम्मू संस्कृति स्कूल कठुआ के पुरस्कृत विद्यार्थियों को मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी। तो सबसे पहले हैं परीक्षित शर्मा। परीक्षित, आप यहाँ पर हैं?
यस मैम।
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस।
थैंक यू मैम।
दूसरे विद्यार्थी तुषार शर्मा। तुषार,
Congratulations, Tushar.
I'm afraid he couldn't join because of some reasons, but definitely.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
We are
अगले
thankful.
विद्यालय शुभ मेमोरियल इंटरनेशनल स्कूल अखनूर से विद्यार्थियों को पुरस्कृत और सम्मानित करने के लिए मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी। सबसे पहले हुनर गुप्ता। अति सराहनीय और उत्तम कार्य, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस हुनर। और दूसरे विद्यार्थी हैं भानवी शर्मा।
थैंक यू मैम।
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस भानवी। ओवर टू यू सारिका मैम।
Thank you, Pooja ma'am. No, we have with us, I don't think she has joined, Miss Dr. Vikesh Kaur, Principal Doon International School, Jammu, a woman of indomitable spirit, an impactful counselor, a diligent coordinator, a strategic curriculum planner, and an optimistic human being. Has won many prestigious awards and achievements in the field of education. So, ma'am, are you there to address the gathering?
Sarika ma'am, Vikesh ma'am has
Okay.
not joined us
Okay,
because of
okay.
some commitments. We can
Okay.
move ahead.
So I will proceed for the prize award ceremony. Okay. Now proceeding further to our award declaration from Vidya Mandir Higher Secondary School, Saror. First awardee is Vanshika. Vanshika, congratulations. Are you there? Vanshika, are you there? Please accept this. Are you there, Vanshika? Okay, next. Second position is to Diksha Verma. Diksha, are you there? Diksha? Okay, the teacher from the school can accept. Vidya Mandir Higher Secondary School, Saror. If there is any teacher, shall I proceed?
Yes, ma'am, you may.
Now next, from International Daily Rising School, Jammu. First awardee is Vireshwar Rana. Vireshwar Rana, congratulations. Your project look very dominating. Vireshwar, are you there? Vireshwar Rana from Daily Rising School, Jammu, International Daily Rising School. Second awardee is from the same school, Shruti Sharma. Congratulations, Shruti.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Congratulations. A big round of applause for them. So next over to Pooja ma'am.
Sarika ma'am, Guneet
It's
ko
over? Okay.
Yes ma'am.
Now,
Guneet ko.
we also have with us Dr. Chand Rehan, Director, Care North, Psychological Counselor. And she will, I think she is here, Guneet?
No, ma'am. Unfortunately, Chand ma'am and Seema ma'am was not able to join us.
Okay. Then okay, Seema ma'am is also not there. Dr. Seema Negi was supposed to join us, Director and Principal, Sanjeevani World School, because of some network issue or some other issue. So now I would like to invite Guneet for the vote of thanks. As all the good things comes to an end, in ordinary life, we hardly realize that we receive a great deal more than we give, and that is only with gratitude that life become rich. So Guneet, extend the vote of thanks.
Thank you so much, Sarika ma'am. So first of all, thank you so much everyone जो भी यहाँ पे जुड़े. My dear Neeraj sir, chief guest, and Radha ma'am, guest speaker for today. My dear board of advisory, I honestly say, जो ये event था, इसकी आइडिएशन करने के बाद वो कहते हैं ना कि जब हम चीजों को साथ रखते हैं, उसको ग्लू वाला पार्ट जो होता है, साथ जोड़ना, गाइड करना, एक रे लाइट दिखाना, दैट इज बोर्ड ऑफ एडवाइजरी की तरफ से. एंड मैं कैसे भूलूं जम्मू संस्कृति स्कूल जम्मू को, जिन्होंने ये इवेंट होस्ट किया, एंड रोहिणी आयमा मैम, जिन्होंने ये पूरा का पूरा इवेंट को शेप दी. First of all, thank you so much, my board of advisors and host school, and honorary mentors, principals, and teachers. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कैंपस एम्बेसडर्स, खासकर जितने भी हमारे पार्टनर स्कूल्स हैं, उनके कैंपस एम्बेसडर्स ने काम किया, इसके रिलेटेड इवेंट को समझा, बच्चों तक पहुंचाया. कुछ चीजें होती है ना, हिडन रह जाती हैं, हम देख नहीं पाते. हमने ये इवेंट दिया, उसके बाद कैंपस एम्बेसडर्स के इसमें काफी ज्यादा रोल था. जितने भी हमारे साथ टीचर्स कैंपस एम्बेसडर जुड़े हैं, उन्होंने इस इवेंट को समझा, बच्चों में दिया, सारा किया. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल उन लोगों को थैंक यू. एंड हाउ कैन आई फॉरगेट द वॉइस ऑफ द इवेंट, पूजा सबरवाल मैम एंड सारिका मैम, जिन्होंने संडे को भी अपना टाइम निकाल के इस इवेंट को होस्ट किया. अगेन आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक द पार्टिसिपेटिंग स्कूल, जिन स्कूल ने हमारे साथ पार्टिसिपेट किया. दिस इवेंट वाज एक्सक्लूसिव फॉर आवर स्कूल पार्टनर्स, DPS उधमपुर, दून इंटरनेशनल, शुभ मेमोरियल स्कूल, जम्मू संस्कृति कटवा, जम्मू संस्कृति जम्मू, IDRS स्कूल, विद्या मंदिर स्कूल, Model Academy School. Thank you to Pramod sir, Rohini ma'am, Pankaj ma'am, Atul sir, Millie ma'am, Shilpa ma'am, Vikesh Kaur ma'am, and Kunal sir. And thank you so much my honorary mentors, Ajit sir, Jeena ma'am, Anjali ma'am, Vandana ma'am, Sanchita ma'am, Millie ma'am, and Suchita ma'am for joining. I am really sorry अगर मैं किसी का नाम लेना भूल गया. पता है ये इवेंट अभी हमें लग रहा है ना कि 1 घंटा या 1.5 घंटे का, but being very honest, जितने भी मेरे साथ लोग जुड़े हुए हैं, माय ऑनरी बोर्ड ऑफ एडवाइजर्स, माय ऑनरी मेंटर्स, कैंपस एम्बेसडर, टीचर्स, जितने भी लोग जुड़े हैं, दे नो उन लोगों को मैंने कितना तंग किया। पिछले हमारा 5 जुलाई को इसकी आइडिएशन स्टार्ट हुई थी एंड वी स्टार्टेड विद हमने स्कूल्स को 7 जुलाई को एक्टिविटी दी थी एंड अब खुद सोचो 7 जुलाई से लेके 15 जुलाई तक सारे कैंपस एम्बेसडर्स लगे रहे, सारे स्कूल्स लगे रहे इस इवेंट को सक्सेसफुल बनाने में। हमें लगता है ना कि सिर्फ थोड़ा सा ही पार्ट होगा, नहीं, एक इवेंट के पीछे बहुत लोगों का हाथ होता है, सबने इसके पीछे सपोर्ट किया एंड सबने इसको मिलकर सक्सेसफुल बनाया। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ थैंक यू सो मच। तो इसी के साथ मैं बिल्कुल ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लूंगा, सबको थैंक यू कहूंगा। मैं दोबारा मेंशन करना चाहूंगा चीफ गेस्ट स्पीकर, माय बोर्ड ऑफ एडवाइजरी, ऑनरी मेंटर्स, होस्ट स्कूल, all the principals, teachers and student present here. Baki, I see my honorary mentors are also here. Jeet sir, Jeena ma'am, Anjali ma'am, Vandana ma'am, Sanchita ma'am, Millie ma'am, Suchita ma'am. आप में से कोई प्लीज स्टेज पे आके कोई अपना एंड में कोई नोट्स रिगार्ड्स देना चाहेगा, प्लीज।
Guneet, I would just like to congratulate you.
Please,
Firstly, a very good evening to all the esteemed members. It's always a pleasure to be on a forum of this type. I would just like to begin with something like a very being, essence, health, and happiness depend on Mother Earth. So it's high time that we not only inculcate this as a habit, rightly said by Kunal sir, but we need to pursue this as a habit and take it to its peak. So we all have to become environmentalists and we need to save the environment. And Guneet, you're doing a wonderful job. It's not, I think it's more about taking the initiative and making the others to lead. So you are the one who is setting the trend and the others would follow. And it's just about, I think, enlightening that spark inside the youth of today, which you are already doing. So it's a fantastic initiative, and this whole campaign taken up by you is worth an applause. And we are all besides you supporting you, that you grow in leaps and bounds and we all progress together and we save our nature. I would also like to add here that we are not any more confined to reuse, reduce and recycle. We have to at the same time concentrate on the other 3 R's, which are repair, refuse, and rethink. So that would, I would end on that note. And yes, I think this is just a mere beginning. Thank you.
Rightly said, Millie ma'am. काफी अच्छी आपने चीज में मेंशन किया एंड इसके लिए क्रेडिट मेरे को नहीं, इसके लिए क्रेडिट आप लोगों को जाता है जिन्होंने मुझे सपोर्ट किया, जिन्होंने ये चीज सिखाई। आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट और कोई ऑनरी मेंटर में से और कोई एजुकेशनल स्टाफ के प्लीज बोलना चाहिए। मैम, आई हैव सीन आपने
Yes, it's a great pleasure for me to just join with you, joining my hands with you. As a naturalist, I love nature and I could see the wavelength in you all people, especially Guneet Beta. You are being the trend maker as well as the young people, they have their own trends, whereas you are changing their trend into the paying attraction towards the nature. It's really great. We are all there with you. We support you a lot, okay? And with the advices of the other chief guest speakers today, we have already been into the field. Whenever a student is about to celebrate their birthday, they have to just come out with a sapling and we used to plant it and it grows. They literally seeing it, okay? So whereas it should come out of the campus, that is the main idea. And as a geographer, I'm a geographer basically. So as a geographer, I love nature, and I am so happy that it reflects in many people's mind. So many mentors as well as honorable many members of this event. Those are all here. Really, I'm so pleasure to just join hands with you. Thank you, Guneet Beta, for organizing such a valid session and outbreaking session, I can say. This is.
Thank you so much, Jeena ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. तो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट अगेन, अगर प्लीज किसी और एजुकेशनिस्ट ने आके अपने व्यूज देने इस प्रोजेक्ट के रिलेटेड, आई वुड लव टू हियर. आई थिंक वी आर गुड टू गो नाउ. तो एंडिंग में थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच होस्ट स्कूल जम्मू संस्कृति स्कूल जम्मू एंड रोहिणी आयमा मैम. ओवर टू यू पूजा मैम.
धन्यवाद गुनीत. एक बार फिर सबका धन्यवाद करते हुए और ज्यादा समय ना लेते हुए एक श्लोक, यथा दृष्टि तथा सृष्टि. इस सूक्ति का अर्थ है, हम जिस नजर या सोच के साथ दुनिया को देखते हैं, हमें दुनिया वैसी ही नजर आती है. हम जो देखेंगे वही दिखेगा, हम जो चाहेंगे वही पाएंगे, हम जितना चाहेंगे उतना पाएंगे. अंत में नजर बदलेंगे नजारे बदल जाएंगे, नजर बदलेंगे तो नजारे बदल जाएंगे, सोच बदलेगी तो सितारे बदल जाएंगे. कश्तियां बदलने की जरूरत नहीं, कश्तियां बदलने की जरूरत नहीं, सिर्फ दिशा बदलेंगे तो किनारे बदल जाएंगे. जरूरत है तो सिर्फ एक अच्छे परिवर्तन की. धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद सभी का. धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद गुनीत. धन्यवाद मैम.
Thank you so much everyone for joining. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone. Thank you Sarika ma'am.
Thank you Rohini.
Thank you, Rohini ma'am. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you Dr. Khan.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone.